most of you. So now today I'm here to, recite a story to you. Okay?
Okay.
So long time ago, there lived a king named Raja Dashrath. Okay? And along with his 3 wives, Kaushalya, Sumitra, and Kaikeyi. What was his 3 wives' name? Kaushalya, Sumitra, and Kaikeyi. And Raja Dashrath was the king of Ayodhya. Everyone repeat after me. Who was Raja Dashrath? The king of Ayodhya. Yes. So, Raja Dashrath was always worried. Say why? This story, very interactive. So when I say why, then you have to also say why with me. Okay? So Raja Dashrath was always worried that he did not have any children with him. He was always very sad. So he went to some sages and asked that what should I do? Then he said that you should perform a yajna. So yajna is a sacrifice which a person does to gain something. Okay? Then that rishi said that you should do some sacrifice. Then Raja Dashrath along with his 3 wives Kaushalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi performed the yajna. Okay? Then who emerged from the yajna? Agni Dev. So Agni Dev is the god of fire. Okay? Who is Agni Dev? God of fire. So he bought a pot with him. Pot. Okay? Yes. So he bought a pot of kheer with him. Everyone likes kheer, no?
Yeah.
So he said that this kheer you should distribute. Matlab you have to separate them into 3 parts for your wives. Because 3 wives are there, no? So he need to separate it and give to them separately. So he gave 1 half to Kaushalya ji. The second half to so he divided the kheer into 2 parts for Kaushalya ji, and then Sumitra ji also gave 2 parts, and then 1 part also kheer he gave. Now they prayed that someone will answer their prayers. Who answers prayers? God. So God answered their prayer, and why we